Hello everyone, this is Shivani and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to be talking about Mahila Hat Book Market. That's right, today we will not be talking about any books but the book market. Those of you don't know what is Mahila Hat Book Market, it's a Sunday book market where you can find plethora of books for a very reasonable price. So I visited there last Sunday and I'm going to tell all about it, and I'm also going to share the books that I bought from there. But first let's discuss how to reach Mahila Hat Book Market. So if you are a resident of Delhi, you can reach there by Delhi Metro. If you want to reach there by Delhi Metro, you need to get down at Delhi Gate Metro Station from gate number 3. Delhi Gate Metro Station, which is on the Violet line, you need to get down there from gate number 3. Reaching Mahila Hat Book Market is very easy. The moment you step out of the metro station, you'll find the street vendors sitting around there with their books. Yes, the moment you step out, you can go and buy books. So there would be a few vendors who would be sitting out there. And if you want to reach the main market, that is also just right there. It's only a 2-minute walk, maybe even that is more. It's just 1 minute. You can see from there where the main book market is. Now let's talk about second most important thing, that is the timings. So the current timings for Mahila Hat Book Market are from 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. That is what Google tells you. But the actual timings are 4 p.m. till 8 p.m. Because of COVID-19, the timings of the book market have been reduced. They are only till 8 p.m. now. And make sure that you don't reach there early, because I reached there at about 1 or 2 o'clock and it got so difficult to pass the time. Although there are vendors all around, there are booksellers standing out there with some of their books, even if the book market is not opened. But still, because it's summers, the weather is hot and you will not find any place to go and sit. There is no McD, no Pizza Hut or no other thing that you can find and sit in. So yes, there is Gurudwara and everything, but then again you have to travel via autos or rickshaw. There is no eatery or any spot, just very nearby where you can hang around. So it's very advisable that you reach there at 4, because that is the time by which the books are set, the shops are set, and you can really make a decent purchase. Also, please carry the water bottles with you if you are traveling from far off places, because like I said, you will not find anything much to eat or drink. You will just find 1 or 2 vendors selling lemon water and that is it. Okay, so now after we have discussed the timings, let's discuss the kind of books that you will find there. If you are a school student and if you want your textbooks or guidebooks, you will definitely find them. There will be ample opportunities, ample bookstores that would be selling those books. You can definitely buy from there. Then you will find a lot of science books over there, be it from the engineering field or the medical field. There are plethora of books that you can go and find there. If you are an avid literature reader, then you will find all the famous popular literature books that currently everyone is reading around. For example, if you follow Indian authors, you'll find books by Durjoy Datta, Ravinder, then 5 a.m. Club, or The Power of Subconscious Mind, or the very famous books like Ikigai or Rich Dad Poor Dad. So you will find these kind of novels at every shop. So there are plenty of options from where you can buy the books, and you don't have to do anything much. The moment you step out of the metro station, you can start buying the books. The market, actually the main area where the books are lined up, it opens up at 3. Okay, so but there are so many books. It's such a fascinating and amazing sight. You know, there are e-rickshaws coming, scooters, bikes, trucks, tempos, everything is packed with books, and there are such huge loads of books that go around, and then they have to set that all up. So from like 2:45 to 4 o'clock, booksellers will not be talking a lot to you because they'll be busy in shifting their books in the main market and setting that stall up. But before that, they are pretty much idle. They are there standing with their limited book stock, so you can go and check if you can find something that you like and you can buy that. Or after 4 o'clock, definitely till 4 to 8, you can buy as many books as you want. And now let me show you the books that I bought. So first one is this Inferno by Dan Brown. As you can see, it's a hardcover book and its market price is $7.50. It's written over there. And can you guess at what price did I buy it from there? Come on, make any guesses. Drop your guesses in the comment section below. I bought it just for ₹100. Yes guys, it was a steal deal, just for ₹100. There are very reasonable books over there. You'll find some very great content in very limited prices. And if you open, the pages are also good, the print is also good. I checked it thoroughly. There is no problem with this book. So yes, this was the first purchase that I made from there. Then second, I bought these collection small books, Secret. I'm sure many of you must already be having this book. It's by Rhonda Byrne. I don't know if I'm pronouncing the name correct, and I got it for ₹50. And same is with Men Without Women by Murakami. Murakami is again a very famous author, and you will find his books almost with every bookseller out there in the Mahila Haat book market. So yes, and I got this also for just ₹50, and the print and all is quite satisfactory. Next, I got all the Murakami selection. Yes, then this is Norwegian Wood again by Murakami, and this is Kafka on the Shore. I got both of them for ₹100 each. So yes, these are the kind of books that you can get over there. Then if you are a child and if you like reading The Diary of a Wimpy Kid, you can find complete volumes over there, and one book is just for ₹40. ₹40 each. You will find Harry Potter series also over there. And if you just looking for the content, and if you can compromise, then you can even find books at ₹40. Dan Brown's books for ₹40. They would be just simple paperback books, and they might be torn. The cover might be torn, which is not very significant, but still. So these kind of books you can find at ₹40 and ₹50 as well. There were really short books, short story books that were being sold at ₹20 each price also. So if you find they are useful for you or you are interested in them, you can buy them also. I had gone there with a huge list, so I wanted to buy a few books of Salman Rushdie, but I could not find the ones that I wanted. There was just one book of Midnight Children and one of Satanic Verses. Other books, Languages of Truth and all, were not there. I could not find Jhumpa Lahiri also, but still the collection of the books was really good, and you will find mostly all the famous and the popular reads over there. Apart from the books, if you want to buy stationery, you can buy that also. There's a very good option, and I bought this spiral bound register, and it's very thick. You can just see from here only, and the pages are good. They are quite thick. The pages are pretty much thick, very thick. Even if you buy the Classmate notebook, I consider it the best quality, but the pages are not so thick as they are in this register. And again, just guess the cost. It is again just for ₹80, 80. And I am satisfied with this register. I have started working in it as well. So yes, if you want to buy, you can buy some good nice notebooks and other kind of stationery from there as well. And the last thing, so after you get tired hunting for the books and searching out your favorites, you'll find business books and non-fiction life-changing books as well. So after you get tired or you get extremely overwhelmed buying so many great books, there is a small area, a garden kind of space where you can sit and relax. So for example, this is the entrance. You enter the main book market, and when you'll reach the last stall, when you'll reach the end, there is a small garden type space that has been created there. So you can sit there for a while and relax. You'll find lot of college students hanging in around there, so it's a cool environment. It's a very good experience. So do visit it once if you can, and I hope you found this video informative. So drop your comments down below, what do you think about it, and we'll meet soon in another video. Till then, bye bye, have a nice day.